Hey guys, it's Nikki from Downey Ford in St. Stephen. Today we're at the beautiful Axe Factory in St. Stephen. Goes a Dennis Stream, crosses through here. We're going to show you the water after a while, but I'm going to let you know about the deals that we have on at Downey Ford for the month of July. We are having hot deals on Hot Wheels. So today we have the 2026 Ford Ranger STX. You can get into a Ford Ranger STX four-wheel drive 2026 model for $269 bi-weekly. We also have our latest and greatest full-size Bronco Big Bend. You can get into this one for $299 bi-weekly. As you can see, it's completely convertible. Doors come off, tops come off. Absolutely anything you want to do in this is available. All kinds of accessories available. And speaking of accessories, we have kept the month of June accessories on for the Broncos, the Rangers, the Bronco Sports, the F-150s. So incentives on some free accessories for every vehicle that you choose to purchase this month will be extended for the month of July. So here we have the bridge that crosses through Dennis Stream. Dennis Stream runs from this side of town through this bridge and right out until the Bay of Fundy. It's a beautiful spot to come and see. The Axe Factory is a very old building. It actually used to make hockey sticks and lacrosse sticks, as well as axe handles, which is why it's called the Axe Factory. A lot of times you'll see people magnet fishing, and you can pull up some really nice axe heads out of this water. So remember, hot deals on Hot Wheels at Downey Ford, St. Stephen, Sussex, St. John. Come check us out.